What's the meaning of Animal Farm? Animal Farm. Animal Farm. Animal Farm. Animal Farm. Animal Farm.
Animal Farm is a political allegory written by George Orwell. It tells the story of a group of farm animals who rebel against their human farmer in hopes of creating a society where the animals can be equal, free, and happy. However, the pigs, who take on leadership roles, become corrupted by power and establish a dictatorship over the other animals. In the end, the farm is no different than it was under human control, and the animals are left disillusioned and oppressed. The book serves as a criticism of the Soviet Union under Stalin's regime.